Nanotechnology is applied in various fields. Now, let's look at how nanotechnology is applied in the field of medicine. Diagnostic tools are produced using nanotechnology. Therefore, the therapeutic efficiency has been increased. Nanotechnology is being used to diagnose and treat ailments like atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis refers to the buildup of fats, cholesterol, and other substances in and on your artery walls. Now, this is known as plaque. This will restrict the blood flow. As you all know, cholesterol has two types: high density lipoproteins and low density lipoproteins. Low density lipoproteins are harmful to health. They deposit inside the walls of arteries as plaque, while high density lipoproteins are considered as the favorable cholesterol. So, one way of treating atherosclerosis is the introduction of nanoparticles which are similar to high density lipoproteins. These high density lipoproteins help to remove lipid deposits in blood vessels. Clinical methods to treat cancer cells are being innovated using nanotechnology. Cancer cells can be destroyed without damaging the healthy tissues. Treatment to replenish bone tissues and nerve tissues are being developed using nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is also used to inject drugs without using injection needles and also to introduce common vaccines for frequent diseases like common cold. Nanoparticles are introduced to skin ointments which are used to protect skin from harmful solar radiation and also to increase the quality of skin ointments. Nanotechnology is used to detect the amount of sugar and cholesterol levels in blood. Field of transport. Very light and fuel economic motor vehicles, aircrafts, boats, and spacecrafts can be manufactured using nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is used in the industry of motor vehicles. Items such as heavy duty rechargeable batteries, heat controllable electronic devices, wear resistant tires, thin solar panels, and very efficient and cheap sensors are some vehicle parts which are manufactured using nanotechnology. Power generation. As you all know, we depend on fossil fuels as our main source of power. Fossil fuels are a type of non-renewable energy source. So therefore, instead of using petroleum fuel, it is encouraged to use renewable energy sources. Bioethanol is one such alternative energy source which can be used instead of petroleum fuel. Bioethanol is produced from cellulose in sawdust, corn stem, and grass. For this process, enzymes, which is a chemical substance that is used to make chemical processes efficient, is produced by nanotechnology. Resistance and tension can be minimized by using wire cords which are made up of carbon nanotubes to transmit electricity. One of the major obstacles in transmitting electricity is the resistance of materials. Therefore, this problem can be mitigated by using wire cords which are made up of carbon nanotubes. Nanotechnology is used to manufacture efficient and inexpensive solar panels. Solar panels are one of the best renewable energy sources that can be used instead of non-renewable energy sources. Future solar panels may be flexible and also printable like papers. This is all possible due to nanotechnology. Very thin solar panels can be made using nanotechnologies to stick on computer covers and clothes. These solar panels can generate electricity using light, friction, and body heat. Electronic science. Minute and speedy transistors in computers can be manufactured using nanotechnology. The size of an ordinary transistor is 130 nanometers to 250 nanometers. This size is decreased down to 14 nanometers by 2014, and it was further decreased down to 7 nanometers by 2015. Flexible, foldable, windable, stretchable, and washable electronic components which are powered by solar energy can be made using nanotechnology. Therefore, it is possible to manufacture very thin, light, unbreakable, durable, and smart electronic equipments. Nanotechnology is used to manufacture memory chips, audio equipment, keyboards with antibacterial covers, and mobile phone covers. Producing consumer goods. Eye spectacles, computer and television screen, door and window glasses made of nanotechnology are resistant to ultraviolet and infrared radiations. They do not retain water or microorganisms and have the ability of auto cleaning. Nanopolymers are used to manufacture very light, hard, and durable sports items, headgear, bicycles, vehicle spare parts, and weapons. Household items like high quality detergents and bleaching agents, air filters, water filters, antiseptics, stain, and dirt resistant paints can be manufactured using nanotechnology. Wearing off and cracking of machine parts can be minimized, and lifetime of them can be considerably increased by using nanostructured ceramic coatings and lubricants made using nanotechnology. Textiles and clothes which are resistant to dust, dirt, and oil particles are manufactured. Nanotechnology can be used in water purification plants to purify water economically and efficiently. Very thin filter membranes are used for this purpose. Air filters with pores of nanoscale are used to filter dust and microorganisms in places like cockpits of airplanes. Products like aluminium, steel, tar, concrete, and cement, which are durable, flexible, and have a fine finish, are manufactured using nanotechnology. Future conditions that may arise because of nanotechnology. As in any technical application, nanotechnology might also have adverse effects. So these ill effects will increase with the increase of usage of nanotechnology. Air, water, and soil can be polluted by releasing particles of nanoscale which are used in nanotechnology to the environment. This is known as nanopollution. Health problems can also arise because of the collection of nanoparticles in human and animal bodies. Calamitous situations in the society may increase because of the abundance of nanoscale equipments. Severe disasters can occur because of the production of chemical and biological armaments or weapons of nanoscale. Various precautionary measures can be suggested to minimize the ill effects of nanotechnology. Release of nanoscale air pollutants with effluent smoke can be filtered using nanofilters. Natural pollutants like arsenic can be removed from the environment by using nanoscale particles. Unfavorable gases can be removed by using nanosensors which are sensitive to those gases. Judicial security can be provided by imposing new legislations to prevent